Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. I just wanted to pop on quickly and tell you about another deal and giveaway happening over at frannieshair.com for our second anniversary celebration. I don't know if you recognize this little lady, but this is Charlotte by Envy. She's my favorite synthetic wig by Envy, and judging by our sales, she's one of your favorites too. I'm wearing her in the color Chocolate Caramel, and I have two other colors here that I'm going to show you. I'm not going to be doing a review. I already did one. I'll have that linked in the description below. If you don't know how to get to the description, just look under the video and you should see something that says more or see more, and you can click on that and that should bring up the full description. In any case, in that review, I wore her in dark blonde. This, as I said, is Chocolate Caramel. It's not a rooted color. She's not a heat-friendly wig, so for those of you who don't want a heat-friendly wig, she's a great choice. She has a lace front and a center mono part. And she's just a great little wavy style. You can see here. Throw on and go, so easy. So, as I said, in the review I wore her in dark blonde. This is Chocolate Caramel. Here we have her in medium blonde. And the reason I wanted to show you this color is because she's not rooted. And I do have women saying to me, I like to wear a blonde, but I don't want rooting. So if that's the case, this could be a great color for you. Another color I have, and don't go by the style here because I was testing out the 3-in-1 Envy Air Styler on it, so I totally messed up the style. But the color is Honey Breeze. So you can see this is a rooted. It has blonde and brunette running through it, so it's a great transition color. Really beautiful. And I think that so many people can wear it because of that darker rooting. When I wear a blonde, I like the rooting because my eyebrows are darker and that way it looks more natural for me. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a few colors of this style, but there are many Envy styles and you may already have your favorite. Let me tell you about the deal and the giveaway. For our anniversary, Envy wigs are on sale 30% off, plus we're having a giveaway where one lucky person is going to get to choose a synthetic Envy wig in the style and color of their choice. And all you have to do to enter is to comment below this video. Make sure it's this video because we're going to be using the random comment picker for all the comments in this video. All you have to do in the comment is let me know which wig you would want in which color. Now, if you haven't seen my other video about our anniversary deals, I'm going to link that in the description as well. We have so many going on. And I'm also going to put a link to a page over at frannieshair.com that will tell you about all of the deals. So you can click on that and go over and see everything happening. And I just want to say thank you to all of you for supporting us at Frannie's Hair during these 2 years. It has been such a pleasure getting to know you through the comments on the YouTube videos, through the private Facebook group. And if you're not in our private Facebook group, please come over. It's Frannie's Hair. We have wig experts. You learn tips and tricks. You get support from other ladies on their wig journeys, and you get to see a lot of wigs in a lot of colors on a lot of people. So it's a really great place and it's a lot of fun. I hope you'll join us there. In any case, what I was trying to say is thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting us. I can't tell you how much it means to us. All right, I hope you enjoy all the deals happening now. And as always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.